Float therapy is effortlessly floating in warm water infused with 1,200 pounds of Epsom salt. This allows you to defy gravity and experience a deep sense of relaxation, a quality moment of me time that you have never seen before. Because of the minimal outside stimulation, it becomes a perfect environment for decreasing stress and practicing mindfulness. Imagine being completely untethered from the external world. Stress and tension disappears. Your mind becomes calm and you experience a profound sense of peace that you've never experienced before.